Hello guys, if you're here that means you got that problem wrong, which is 6 plus 2x equals 24. Excuse me, not 24, it was 6 plus 2x equals 34. Now when you're solving out two-step equations, you need to know your steps. So 1, get rid of the constant. Step number 2, get rid of coefficient. Now, when you're working these out, I think you guys should know at this point, your constant is the number by itself. So my constant over here is 6. Okay, it's not without the variable. You might get confused and think 34 because it says by itself. But we're talking about the ones with the variable on this side. Since the 6 is alone, it's my constant. You can think of your constant almost like third wheeling with 2x, and you want to get rid of it. So the opposite of positive 6 is negative 6. I'm going to subtract it to both sides. Get rid of that. I'm going to borrow. 14 minus 6 is going to get me 8. Bring down my 2. Then I have 2x equals 28. The next thing you want to do is get rid of your coefficient. That's coefficient. And the coefficient is with x. Now the number with the x is the 2, so I want to get rid of that 2 by doing the inverse. The inverse of this is division because 2 and x are multiplying. So that cancels out and gets me x. And 28 divided by 2 is going to get me 14. So this is my answer. Now you need to be aware on how you can check your answers. So I'm going to take 6 plus 2x, and it equals to 34, and I'm going to plug in what I think x is. I think x is 14, so I'm going to plug 14 in for that x, and I'm going to solve it. So this is going to be 6 plus 2 times 14 equals 34. And you solve it like normal. So I'll go 2 times 14. That gets me 28 plus 6. 6 plus 28 gets me 34. And this statement is saying that, hey, this is going to get you 34. And it does. So that means my answer is correct. So my answer is going to stay as x equals 14. Please go on ahead and do the other example problems below and see if you've gotten better.